Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about why is it so hard to start exercising. Sound familiar? I should start jogging. Lifting weights would be good for me. Maybe a Pilates class would get me in shape. I should just join a gym and do all three. You know exercise will make you feel better, physically and mentally, but somehow, you keep putting it off. If it's so beneficial, why is it so tough to start? It comes down to habit. If you've spent years not exercising, your body and mind get used to it. Sitting still feels normal. Any change, even a positive one, feels weird at first. Add in the fact that working out can feel unpleasant when you're out of shape, and you've got a double dose of resistance. This is why you quit so easily. You slip back into old patterns because they feel familiar. Building a habit takes time, not just 3 weeks like the myth says, but at least 6 weeks of consistent effort. And most people fail because they set expectations way too high. If you haven't run in years, jumping straight into a 5K will make you miserable. Instead, start small. A light jog around the block, 3 to 4 times a week, is enough. Do that for 6 weeks. When it feels normal, then increase the distance. If it feels silly, remind yourself, you're not training for a marathon, you're building a habit. Think of it like pushing a car in neutral. At first, it's slow. But once you get momentum, it moves on its own. You can also make things easier by adding small prep routines, like putting on your running shoes while watching the news. Bottom line, start slow, keep it simple, focus on the habit first, then level up later. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.